In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of clarity can be a challenge, but nature offers a powerful solution. Studies show that spending just 20 minutes outdoors can significantly improve focus and reduce mental fatigue. One effective strategy is to incorporate daily nature walks into your routine, allowing both your mind and body to recharge. Additionally, creating a small green space at home, or even bringing plants into your workspace, can enhance your cognitive atmosphere. Remember, the next time you feel overwhelmed, stepping outside may be your best decision for mental clarity and sharper thinking.